So imagine walking out into the garden and seeing this. Look like a snake? Maybe. Keep watching. Hey everyone, this is Audra and this is my Magnolia street garden. And this is Finley. Hi Finley. So today I am going to talk to you about this cool new vegetable I'm growing called Chinese python snake bean. This is the largest snake bean variety that there is, and it's very popular in Asian cuisine. I got this seed from Baker Creek Seed Company, the whole seed catalog, and I want to show you the picture because this is what these are going to look like eventually. Now these are just the babies up here, so you can see here, this one, here's a couple very small ones. This is what they start out with. And then they just get longer and longer. You can see this one. So this book says that you can harvest these between 12 and 30 inches and use them like summer squash or like green beans. And the book says that they taste like green beans, in fact better than green beans. And they're often used in stir fries and such. So I'm super excited to try this. This one actually up here, I am gonna let it grow as long as it possibly can because I plan on entering it into the county fair this year under the giant vegetable category. Last year I won with my prize-winning 23-pound banana squash, and this year I'm gonna try for a snake bean. So I just wanted to show you the vines. They're actually really kind of tiny. Tiny little vines, not like a squash. They're more like a green bean vine, which is interesting because this is called a snake bean. Even though it looks like a squash. And the funny thing about this is the smell is very odd. I don't know if you've ever grown tomatoes. Tomatoes have the plants have a very distinctive smell. Like you can touch a tomato plant leaf and know that it's tomato plant leaf because of the way it smells. I have never quite smelled anything that smells like this. The leaves, the vines, the bean itself, it's very odd. I can't say that I terribly like it, but I can't say that it's really bad either. It's just odd and very, very pungent. You can just walk by this and smell it. So I'm really interested to see what this is going to end up tasting like. So I understand that if you let these grow, just grow and grow, they will turn bright green and develop a thin waxy layer on the outside. And also you can see right here, look at this tiny little baby one. So anyway, sorry it's so windy out here. We're experiencing the tail end or edges of Hurricane Barry coming in from the Gulf. So anyway, I would love to know if you have ever grown these Chinese python snake beans before. Let me know your experience, what you think about the smell and the taste. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I'll see you next time.